Here we go.
I want me to open it.
You guys gonna open it?
Yeah.
It looks like it kind of opened in the mail. Hopefully nothing fell out.
Nothing did.
More packages.
Let me undo the tape.
Do you need some help?
I'm gonna get scissors. I undid the tape.
You undid the tape?
I can undo the tape, George.
Look at you.
Me?
Yeah, figuring it out.
Yeah, I'm figuring it out. But we need to like use scissors for this part.
For that part?
I get hold.
Or you could just pull the tape all along it. There you go. What's in there?
What? Show them the keychain.
What you got, Lily Billy?
Ooh, this is cool. So it has this little Lego thing, and then it has like a red shiny guy in here, it looks like.
A red shiny Lego guy keychain.
Oh, look.
Minifigure. I don't know, that set's bigger than you, I think, Lily.
Oh, this is similar to my gold guy.
Oh, what is that?
Don't know.
You don't know? You can't look at that and tell what it is?
Maybe
Is it a
it's
submarine?
Is it a city?
I don't know. What is it?
Here, why don't I hold it, Lily, so you can see?
Then you won't know what it is. No, I do.
Okay.
Do drug test.
It's a treehouse! It's a treehouse! It's a treehouse!
It's a treehouse.
I'm gonna put this back in the box.
All right, you can put it back in the box. We'll take it to the Lego room later.
Open that. Open it for a minute. Open this.
Maybe we should just order a package full of those air bubble things.
No, you can't look at it very well.
Hey, how's it going?
It's okay.
Don't pull that out of his head.
Why are you pulling his head off, honey?
You can't pull his head off. He's a keychain.
Keychain?
George, that's going to ruin the tip of that if you do that. You know, you guys can always find like some keys or something. Since you can't find any of the scissors.
I can have mine.
I know how I'm going to wrap your guys' Christmas present. What's that one? You got more of those?
I'm pretty sure we already have.
We do. But I got another one.
Because the one we currently have is missing pieces.
Well, we did buy it used, so. Now we got a brand new one.
I'm putting this back in the box.
Is that all that's in there?
Yes, that's all we have.
All right. I think we should build something this weekend. Should we do the treehouse?
It's another one.
Another one.
It's another one that goes to the car.
Yeah, a little pink car you like, huh? Are you done? I guess we're done.
I love you.
Love you too. Say goodbye.